Today we got a video from Strange Body Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Gets Karma After Her Bold Escape Doesn't Go As Planned.
On June 12, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for a seatbelt violation when a passenger attempted to flee on foot.
Stay in the car. Passenger, get back in the car.
Get back in the car. Why?
Get back in the car.
I don't tase, man.
Get back in the car.
What are you doing?
24, we're in front of Staples. 1050. Let me get another unit. Get back in the car! Get back in the car!
At this moment, does she think that she is going to be able to escape and evade police for the rest of her life? Right? When you're running from the cops and you make that decision, you're hoping not to get caught, and you have to live on the run for the rest of your life. Are you prepared for that? Is she prepared for that? Probably not. So, you shouldn't run. And good aim. I paused it at the right moment. This is perfect. This was not planned. This is perfect timing. He gonna have to get her together. I can see it now.
Taser deployed. Whiskey Foxtrot. Back in the car! Taser deployed. Whiskey Foxtrot.
Oh, God.
Let's run it back for a third time. Just to face first, okay? Face to first. She locked up. Bow. Look at this.
Get back in the car! Get back in the car! Taser deployed. Whiskey Foxtrot.
Oh, God, that hurts.
Stop!
Gotcha.
Oh, God, I'm bleeding really bad.
Army rescue.
Oh, God, I'm bleeding real bad.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Why would you do that? I didn't want you to get hurt.
Oh, my God.
Put the other hand behind your back.
Okay, but I'm holding my head.
We're in front of Staples. Whiskey Foxtrot, bleeding from the head. Stay in front of your car. Why would you do that? Why would you run? All you had to do is stay in the car.
You scared me.
77. 10-4, if you could have EMS be 51 as well.
10-4, 1071, 51, already. You need 2 Whiskey, yeah? I got him in front of Staples.
Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong? Rescue's coming. What's wrong?
My head is
Okay. Flip to your side. Flip to your side. Here.
God. My head, please.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Well, I did not want you to run, ma'am.
Oh, God, it hurts so bad.
Okay, I did not want you to run at all.
Back to my mom, please.
Well, you just resisted. Wow.
Please.
Why?
Would you
I did not want you to run.
snap?
Well, you just resisted arrest, okay? So you're under arrest. After rescue clears you, you're going to jail.
Mom, please.
That's gonna be searched. So. She ran out of the passenger. I told her to get in the first time. When I went back to the driver's side, she got out and ran. I deployed my taser, and she fell and hit the ground.
Taser, I thought he was gonna tase me, so I ran.
Yeah, you don't run from the police.
Gosh.
I just don't want to be tasered.
How old are you?
47.
Okay.
Did she say she just doesn't want to be tasered? Well, you wouldn't be tasered if you just stayed put. You got tasered because you ran. Where's the logic in these people?
Can I get gloves and try to...
10-4. Oh, you just chill it.
Yeah. Is your driver's license in here?
No.
All right, what's your name and date of birth?
Randy, it's 924.
Spell your last name.
T.
Her back.
Her back?
Yeah.
Do you have a warrant or something? Why would you run?
Because he just came out with his taser for no reason.
You got out of the vehicle.
Not until I seen you coming towards your taser.
Pull up hard.
Ouch. Ow, what are you doing?
Pull that out, okay? It's gonna hurt a little bit. I know. We got rescue coming, dear. You deployed this one, right?
I saw the other one hit. Oh yeah, I only.
Yeah, you just Yeah. Now wrap it up all in there. Wrap it off, all of it. Do it like with a hurry, like with a purpose. And then grab your glove and then pull it out. Keep it in there, okay? Here, good one. Good? Yeah. She just ran from the traffic stop and he tased her and she fell and hit her head. What'd you run for?
Because I seen his taser and he was coming at us for no reason.
Okay. The reason I was stopping you, you weren't wearing your seatbelt. Okay.
Boy, that taser wire is giving him some trouble, boy. He really going through it with that thing. So I just like, come on, just wrap it up, you know, with some urgency, nigga. Like, damn, bro, what you got going on, man? Sergeant, man, just give me that shit, man. Just give me this goddamn thing, man. You over there bullshitting, man.
Yeah. Did you not tell me how many times I tell her stay in the car?
Yeah.
She got back in the car. I went over here and then she took off. I don't know why she would do that. That's your daughter? Who is that to you?
No, I picked her up walking down the road. I know her from Interlochen, but that's all.
Okay.
I know about.
Okay. Let me get back to my traffic stop. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Do you have any idea why she would do that?
No.
Okay.
Actually, I know her aunt better than I know her.
So you barely know this girl?
I know
She's
her.
calling you her mom. I mean.
My mom. Yeah, because I babysit her all the time.
Well, I don't know why she would do that. So yeah, like I said, the reason I stopped you weren't wearing your seatbelt. Okay, I want you to be safe. I want you to wear your seatbelt. This could have been a simple traffic stop. I didn't want her to do that.
I'm gonna go ahead and
Hey,
What's up with all these seatbelt tickets? Now motherfuckers is stopping. Come on, man. Cops is not stopping motherfuckers for no seatbelt, man. They hoping to get something else out of it. I don't know. Or maybe he probably just a little newer, you know what I mean? So he probably stopping people for everything, but you know, because he don't even know how to, you know, get the taser wire right. So he probably a little newer, but what's up with all these seatbelt tickets lately? Oh, what are you pulling me over for? Oh, yeah, you wasn't wearing your seatbelt. That's an add-on. That is not, you not stopping nobody for no seatbelt, man. This ain't back in the day where they had the click of the ticket campaigns going on, man.
what's in your pockets? You gotta empty it real quick because you're under arrest. You don't think anything? Okay. Well, go ahead and pull it out real quick so we can make sure. You're obviously under arrest, okay? So.
Just blood pressure, pulse ox 4 lead, please.
All right, and
we'll get a clean grab and we'll grab.
man, please empty your pocket.
Visit the legs.
All the way.
Give them a second. Let him do what he needs to do.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll meet you all at the hospital. Thank you.
Yep.
Sorry, guys. She already took off on me, tried to run, so I'm gonna put her in handcuffs. Okay.
Are y'all following right behind us?
Yeah, we're gonna get someone going with y'all. Okay.
If they want to ride with us, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I'll let them know. What's your real name?
Name's Lori.
Lori. Okay. All right. Thank you for being on. Is that your real name though? Okay.
Yeah, he's new.
Oh yeah, I'll remember it. Lori Durant. Okay.
Yeah,
You
he's
got a
new.
warrant? You already told me, but yeah. What's her name? Brandy.
I think it's the middle name. I'm not sure.
All right. Well, her name's Lori. She's saying, but hey, do me a favor. Hop out.
You gotta get her together too.
24.
Standing jaw.
All right. You have anything on you?
Pocket knife.
Okay. Do you mind emptying your pockets for me, if you don't mind? Okay. Do you have any on you? Because the dog just hit to the odor. Nope. Good. Okay. Could you empty the penny pocket too, if you don't mind?
Yeah, it's empty.
10-4, 10-23. She's got a warrant, that's why.
What's the warrant for?
I don't know, I gotta look it up. And then, could you do me a favor and empty your bottom pockets? I appreciate your cooperation.
Yeah.
Bro, just pat her down then. Like, what you doing? Like, she's patting her own self down. Like, what you got going on, man? You're a cop. You could frisk a woman, man. What we got going on here? Empty your pockets. Empty your pockets. She just told you she had a pocket knife on her, which is a weapon, and you gonna have her search her own self? Come on, man. This guy, yo, he knew, man. So I'm gonna give him a pass. I could tell he knew. I could tell. So I'm gonna give him a pass, man.
I just told Lori, shit, I don't got my seat held on.
Can I see the money? Yeah.
I don't even know where she's staying at to tell anybody.
And she's got a 1049, so she's already cuffed, but keep an eye on her. Okay, and is there anything in your back pockets?
No.
Thank you. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure you didn't have anything on you, and for you to show me that there was nothing on you, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, me too.
You can just hang out right here. Yeah.
Positive from okay.
Thank you.
I have it in the in your front seat. It's an evidence.
How much is it?
Like less than a grand. See the Q-tip, blue.
Awesome. Does she have pits too, or just
No, just that. I mean, you can consider the
bag,
the envelope. No, sorry, the plastic container. Yeah.
When she ran, she went.
I'm sure.
Face. That's.
Yeah.
She hit the ground so fast. I mean,
because
that was the second time I was using my taser. I mean, that was.
Yeah, you got good contact. That's probably why she fell. That's what's gonna happen.
I mean, that was.
She probably fell in mid-stride, you know.
Yeah. There's a lot of like miscellaneous bags too in here.
You already did this one?
No. Where was that?
Back here, right here.
Cover. Yeah, Nancy. Hey, drop the cigarette real quick, Nancy. There's some more products located in the vehicle, okay? I hear you. Here, turn your wrist to the right so it's more comfortable. What's that? In a bag.
Bag.
Alright, so I'm cranking the air on. I'll roll the window down. I'll talk to you in a minute. If you need anything, let us know. What's up? There's in the car. That's why you're in cuffs, okay? We'll talk with her. We'll talk to you, okay?
Alright, so very good. It's almost halfway through. So there's gonna be a little bit of there. So yes. Blue. I tried Coke. Didn't pop. Right there. Blue as could be.
Damn. Yeah, man. Junkies. I ain't gonna lie, man. Yo, that taser shot was pretty good. And all the other stuff they found was just junkies. That's all I got to say, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.